And the match to look forward to tomorrow. India start as clear favourites against Bangladesh as the men in blue get ready to take on their neighbouring team in the quarter-final clash. Dhoni's men have been on a high note, losing not a single match. But Bangladesh too is capable of throwing in a surprise like they did against England. We set up the clash for you.
The verdict in the second quarter-final seems to be overwhelming in Team India's favour. On paper or on the field, going by performance in the tournament or judging by the records, Bangladesh just does not seem to have the firepower to match Team India.
I'll go 80-20 in a I mean, it's a two-horse race. I know India are good, but on their day, the other thing, MCG, there'll be a great atmosphere, and there'll be one of the. I mean, I'm doing that game. It'll be one of the great days of this tournament.
Once again, clearly the past does not matter now. What will matter is what happens in Melbourne. India have been on a winning streak, but will be aware that the Tigers from Bangladesh have a happy knack of upsetting the favourites apple cart. Even came close to upsetting New Zealand.
Each match, you got to think about how you want to play the game and not worry too much about the opposition. So far, our standard of playing, it has been fantastic to watch, and we should stick to that and not worry too much about the opposition.
However, India have all bases covered. Every batsman in the team has had a decent knock in the middle. All the bowlers have hit a purple patch and the team is fielding like tigers. So what's the worry about? Nothing much for Team India. Just one thing, the law of averages is not on India's side. With Shivani Gupta in Melbourne, Sports Bureau headlines today.
As India prepares for the knockouts down under, we bring Melbourne home. India's smashing performances so far makes them the outright favourites.
You got to think about how you want to play the game.
They'll go and play Bangladesh now, which is going to be a cakewalk.
MCG, there'll be a great atmosphere in it.
With less than 24 hours to go, we built up to the Bangladesh clash. And as Dhoni's men eye a berth in semis, we continue to get you the best World Cup coverage with the best. All day on Headlines Today.
Best wishes to Indian team for their good success.
Team India is playing phenomenally, doing well in every department, and I think there's 1.25 billion hearts cheering for them. Wish them all the best and look forward to them bringing the cup back.
We are poised to win again a World Cup, so best of luck for the Team India, and we are sure this time again we are winning the World Cup.
All the very best, Team India. You are indeed the best, and keep up the good work. We want you to get back with the cup. All the very best.